Hey there, friends. Today, we're going to talk about Mumtaz Ali, a Pakistan People's Party senior worker who recently passed away tragically. Our thoughts and prayers are with his family during this difficult time. Mumtaz Ali was a well-respected member of the Pakistan People's Party and, having served as a senior worker for an entire decade, he played a significant role in maintaining peace and stability within the community. Tragically, he met his untimely end due to unknown causes. The news of his sudden passing has sent shockwaves through the community. Many of his friends and colleagues are in disbelief, as they had just met with him earlier on Thursday. This sudden turn of events has left everyone in deep sorrow and grieving for this great loss. It's important to remember that no one is invincible, and we should cherish every moment we have with our loved ones. Let's take this opportunity to appreciate the people around us and show them our gratitude for all the good things they bring into our lives. Thank you for joining me in this heartfelt discussion. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Stay safe out there, and let's cherish every moment we have together.